Start with an outline of text and duplicate it 4 times to end up with 5 identical layers. Number your layers using 1 at the top and 5 on the bottom. Layer 1 is your outline, so make sure you're happy with the colour and you're good to go. Jump to layer number 3 and fill it with your chosen fill colour, and then head back to layer number 2. Keeping it as an outline, change the colour to a slightly darker shade than your fill colour on layer number 3. Then drag it just a bit in the direction you want your shadows to fall. I tend to go for the bottom right here. If it feels too dark, just lower the opacity. This is now the shadow to your outline. It would fall within the letter, so we can erase anything that falls outside of it. Moving on to layer 4, fill it up with the colour you want your drop shadow to be. Then drag it in the direction your shadows are falling, and on the same layer, join up the edges of your new drop shadow to the corresponding corners of your original outline. Fill your 5th and final layer with black, or a colour that's darker than your drop shadow, and drag it out in the same direction you did with your other elements. Join up those edges again. Lower the opacity quite a bit here. I tend to go for around 15 to 20%. Finally, add a clipping mask to layer number 4 and add some shading. As a general rule, I keep a lighter shade on the sides and a darker shade on the bottom here. Keep the curves soft and the corners sharp by erasing any unwanted colour from your clipping mask. And you're done!